In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Instagram permissions for Manychat. If your Instagram automations have slowed down, comments aren't being captured, or DMs aren't sending, a quick permission refresh often fixes it. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so everything reconnects cleanly. Start in your Manychat account. From the home page of your workspace, look to the left-hand menu and open Settings. Inside Settings, find the Channels section. This is where all your connected platforms live. Choose Instagram to open the Instagram channel settings. On the Instagram settings page, look for the option labeled Refresh Instagram Permissions. This button forces Meta to reissue access so Manychat can properly read and send messages, track comments, and trigger your automations. Click Refresh Permissions. A Meta login window will open. Make sure you're signed in with the Facebook profile that has admin access to the business you use for Instagram. In this dialog, select your business portfolio and choose the Instagram accounts you want Manychat to access. Then click Continue. If you're prompted to review access, keep the requested permissions enabled so Manychat can function fully. Limiting them can break features like keyword triggers, story replies, and comment to DM flows. When you return to Manychat, click Save to finalize the update. Give it a moment to sync. You should see your Instagram account showing as connected and ready. A few quick tips if something looks off. If you don't see the right business or Instagram account in the meta dialog, switch profiles in that window and try again. Make sure your Instagram is a professional account linked to the correct Facebook page in the same business. If permissions seem stuck, close the dialog, refresh your browser, and repeat the refresh flow while logged into the correct meta profile. That's it. You've refreshed Instagram permissions in Manychat, which should restore reliable message access, comments tracking, and automation triggers.